Alright, so I've got the Nars holiday collection. This was sent to me in PR, not sponsored, but it was sent to me in PR. We're gonna see what's inside. I did open it, and then when I realized it was just like a bunch of stuff, I was like, okay, I definitely wanna share with you guys, see what this is all about. We are going to go ahead and just dive into it. The first thing is this Instant Stardom mini face set. So let's see what this is all about and what it comes with. I'm not the fanciest unboxer, like I don't know if you guys could tell. I'm super impatient. It's the Aries in me. I don't have time for like the cuteness of it all. Like, no, I'm like, open up. All right, so it comes with 3 things. This one is a translucent crystal light reflecting powder, which looks very white, but, oh. Okay, there we go. I was like, why is it not showing up? Does it swatch? I think it's like a setting powder. I feel like you could use this as like blotting. This is the Behave. What's that? Never heard of that. A little beige, a little too beige for me. And then the other thing, and this is a lipstick. Ooh, this is kind of pretty though. This is what the lipstick looks like. What shade is this? Band Red in the, it's a satin lipstick. Let's move on to the next one. This is another thing that has 3. This is the Behave Backstage Cheek Set. This is the liquid blush in the shade Behave. Definitely too light for me, I could already tell. It's just not my shade. I do like one of them. I can't remember the exact name, but there is one shade in the liquid blush from Nars that I like. And then this is the multiple Behave stick. Yeah, not my shade. We're gonna put it to the side. We're gonna put it to the side. Let's open one of these. Translucent crystal, another translucent crystal with a puff, and I'm gonna, if there's multiples of these, I'm not gonna open all of them because I'm probably gonna, you know, donate a bunch of them. Yeah, so I'll probably donate this because I've already opened some crystal ones. I like this though, it's like a little ornament. Okay, ooh, this is a pretty color. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is like the lip pencil. Okay, so this is a lip pencil. Can't really see it all that well. Not bad, but I feel like the gloss is gonna be like right up my alley. This gloss, it's like a mini. Yeah, definitely the gloss. It's not that pigmented, but on like pink looks, like pink lips, cute. Definitely can see myself wearing that. What else do we have? Kiss the Stars Matte Lip Duo. This is called Dragon Girl. Dragon Tales, Dragon Tales. I belong to Dragon Tales. Oh my god, I have not. I don't know what memory Dragon just unlocked, but it's been ages. Okay, this is the products. We've got a liquid. This is a full size, I think. Now I wish I hadn't put on any. You guys can still see my scars from when I got henna in Ethiopia. It's crazy, right? Oh, that's nice. I'm a sucker for a red lip, especially like a blue red like this one. I'm a sucker for it. Okay. Why? This just fucking... Why does it bounce back like that? Now there's dog hair in it. Lord. I don't know why it bounces back like that. Okay, this is the shade Dragon Girl. Like I said, I'm a sucker for blue red on dark skin. Blue red on dark skin It's the way to go. It's the way to go. It's gorgeous. I'm telling you. Okay. Let's see. Orgasm. I'm genuinely surprised that this is our first Orgasm anything. This is the Orgasm blush. I think it's a full size blush. Yeah. You guys have seen this shade already, or this blush already. I tend to use the Orgasm as a highlighter because it's a little too light for me as a blush, but this is what it looks like right here. Swatched on the side, that's why I like to use it as a highlight. We've got Rising Star Cheek Palette. Ooh, oh, whoa. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. What? Look at this red, mates. Oh, gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. So pretty. So stinking pretty. I'm not really a big fan of face palettes because I feel like you can only use so many in one. But this, I feel like I can probably use like 2 or 3, which is still not worth it in my eyes because I'm like, it's so expensive. But this is so pretty. So pretty. Okay. Ah, wait, not this. How did that happen? I literally just flipped it. That's strange. Okay. I mean, thankfully it didn't crack. So I just popped it back in there. Okay, but this is what the palette looks like. It is pretty. Okay, gorgeous palette. Gorgeous palette. I don't know what's going on with this pink over here in this corner, but it is a gorgeous palette. Okay, next we've got the Orgasm. Hopefully I don't get demonetized. Orgasm Triple Threat Cheek and Lip Set. I'm still surprised at how beautifully that blush just went on with my finger. Like literally my ring finger. Crazy. Alright, come on. Oh, this is a full size. Okay, so we've got the Afterglow Lip Balm. That's what it looks like right there. That's the lip balm, which definitely gives me the Orgasm vibes. This is the Orgasm mini highlighter. And then the Orgasm stick. Next we got the Stargaze eyeshadow palettes. There she is. This is the eyeshadow palette. It's actually really pretty. I love this dark brown in here. It's very rare that I can find like a really nice dark brown in an eyeshadow palette, so I like that. Yeah, I definitely want to play with this. Let me know if you guys want to see a look with this eyeshadow palette. And then we've got the Kiss the Stars Matte Lip Duo. Something about Kiss the Stars sounds familiar. Was there Kiss the Stars somewhere? I don't want to open anything that's like a duplicate. Let's see. This is the Audacious Lipstick in the shade Ava. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, the shade kinda got me a little excited. That's a pretty shade, like for the center of the lip. Okay, and then last but not least is this one. This is the Explicit Content Climax Mascara Duo. They're gonna hear Orgasm, they're gonna hear Climax, and they're gonna be like, nah, this video is not it. But this mascara is bomb though. I've definitely tried this mascara. I love this mascara. It comes in 2, so you get 2 of these. But this is a good mascara. I already have mascara on, so this is not a good demo, but I really like how dark this mascara is. All right, so that is it, but this was kind of fun. If anything, if you guys are a Nars fan like I am, hopefully at least you guys got to see some things, like if you want to get them for gifts or holiday products, or like if you just like this red lipstick, I cannot wait to play play with it. I just know it's gonna be like right in my alley. Oh, this with the cheek palette, that red one. Stop. I'm gonna have to base a look around these two. This and this. Yeah, I have to do a look on those two. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this little hangout video. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.